Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Finally my wait is over. The Simon Says stamp kit is here. Something that I look forward to the start of every month. This kit is the March 2022 card kit. It's called Hoppy Days Ahead. You will see that it is packed with some really fun and beautiful surprises. This kit includes a wide variety of hand-selected, coordinating supplies, enough to keep you creating for hours. I will also share a link to the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit Gallery, where you will find wonderful designs by some amazingly creative designers and card makers. Let's unbox this month's kit and take a look at the amazing products included here. Every kit by Simon Says Stamp comes with an inspiration sheet with some fun project ideas for you to try out. Let's begin by taking a look at this new Simon Says Stamp Lucky Mesh Bag. This mesh bag comes in handy to store your craft projects and works well to store your card kits. This is a positively perfect storage solution for all your crafty supplies. It's a large 10 by 12.5 inch bag which allows you to store full-sized 8.5 by 11 inch cardstocks. Next, we have this positively saturated ink pad in the shade Seafoam. This is a beautiful ink, perfect to create skies and clouds. I have used these inks in my previous video and I must tell you, they blend like butter. You should definitely check it out. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. The ink pad is perfectly matched with the Simon Says Stamp blending brush, which is made with super soft bristles, perfect for ink blending. It also comes with this protective cap, which is very useful to protect the bristles of your brush. Simon Says Stamp has a wide variety of these brushes, perfect for each color. They also come in a bigger size. Next, we have the Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky glue with an extra precision tip, perfect to get the glue on super tight or small areas. This one will be very useful in not just card making but also other art and craft and DIY projects. Also included in the kit is a bag of 3 white pom-poms and a white button. These pom-poms would be perfect for a bunny tail, and the button can be used to add texture element to our cards. Stay tuned to see how I use these products. Next we have the small 3x3 cloud stencil by Simon Says Stamp. There are both the positive and the negatives of the stencil. This will be perfect when we plan to create a scenery for our cards. The seafoam ink will be perfect to create clouds paired with this stencil. Next in the kit, we have these gorgeous watercolor cards by Susie. They are made of high quality prints on Tim Holtz watercolor paper. They are 4.25 by 5.5 inches, perfect for our A2 size cards. I plan to create a card base with this bunny print, and for the little birdhouse, I might cut and pop it on some pattern papers or regular cardstock. We also have these beautiful Hoppy Easter sentiment strips by Simon Says Stamp. You could use your sentiment strip dies or your paper trimmer to cut it out. Perfect for Easter. They are printed on Neenah Classic Crest 110 pound smooth solar white paper. As always, the kit includes high quality Simon Says Stamp envelopes. Here we have one each of Simon Says Stamp A2 envelopes in metallic silver and white, and one Simon Says Stamp avocado slimline envelope. These colors on the envelope, they match perfectly with the cardstocks and the pattern papers provided in the kit. These envelopes have an adhesive peel, so you don't have to lick it to stick it. Next, let's take a look at the beautiful pattern papers provided in the kit. There are 5 sheets of 6x6 double-sided pattern papers provided in the kit. I love how each sheet is full of character and can be used to create beautiful backgrounds. I love the flowers and the butterflies on this sheet, and then when you turn it around, you get a beautiful wooden pattern background. The The second one here is perfect to create slimline cards. I plan on creating 2 slimline cards here. Now the third sheet, I love the pattern on this sheet. Well, when you turn it around, you will see alphabets A to Z and numbers, which can be fuzzy cut out to add some dimension to our cards. In the next sheet here, I love the flowers. We could use it as a background as is, or if you feel it's too bright and crowded for you, you could add some vellum to tone it down. Okay, now take a look at this beautiful pattern paper full of little sentiments. Well, these can be used as a background, or you could use a pair of scissors to cut out each little sentiment strips, and you will have multiple sentiment strips to go on the front of your card. When you turn it around, you see these beautiful little frames that can be added onto your card fronts, or you could create tags using them. Last but not the least, I have this fun flowery pattern which has a subtle cream color on the other side of it. Well, all of these pattern papers are so beautiful and can be used to create a variety of our cards. Before we take a look at the stamp set, let's see the cardstocks that come with the kit. I have one sheet each of Simon's Stamp 100-pound cardstock in Lavender, Smoke and Cornflower. I also have one sheet of the Neenah 110-pound Solar White cardstock. All of these cardstocks are super heavyweight cardstock, perfect to create sturdy cards. Now for the final part of the March 2022 card kit. We have this huge 6x8 Hoppy Days Ahead stamp set by Simon's Stamp. How cute are these little bunnies on this stamp? Also, the sentiments are perfect for any occasion cards that you would like to create, not just for this Easter. This is a very versatile stamp set with the Hoppy Days Ahead, thinking of you, sending hugs, just saying hello sentiments, and the cute little hearts and the flowers and the grass. Perfect to create a cute scenery and designs. This stamp set does come with coordinating dies, which is not included in the kit, but I'm sure can be bought separately from the Simon's Stamp website. So that was a look at the Simon's Stamp March 2022 Hoppy Days Ahead card kit. It's a very cute, fun card kit, perfect to create cards all around the year. In my next video, I will be coloring the watercolor sheets and creating cards for you. So stay tuned for that. All the supplies can be found linked in the description box below. I will see you back with some fun card projects that I will be creating using this kit. Thank you for being here with me today. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you would like to share your creations, please tag me on my Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.